How will students respond in class? So, some students respond and actively engage in class discussions, raise their hands to answer questions, and participate in group activities. They may be enthusiastic learners who enjoy sharing their thoughts or ideas with the teachers and their peers. So the next one is, what are the seating arrangement? So, the seating arrangement consists of desks or tables placed in rows facing the front of the classroom. It is commonly used for lecture-style teaching where it focuses on the teacher delivering the information to the students. This arrangement rather allows for clear visibility of the teacher and promotes individual works. How will the students enter and exit the classroom? So students should enter and exit the classroom quietly at all times, whenever coming in late, leaving early, or just going to the bathroom in the hallway. Students must not disturb their classmates or other rooms. So next question is, how will tardiness and absences be handled? So established a routine that holds students more responsible for getting to your class on time and always take attendance right away to quickly determine who is missing. Next is, how much can students interact with each other? So a classroom should be open, positive, receptive to discussion and disagreements. Interacting with other people proven to be quite effective in assisting the learners to organize the thoughts, reflect on their understanding, and find gaps in their reasoning. So the next one is, how will homework be handled? So um, the teacher assign homeworks either verbally or by providing written instructions. They explain the purpose of the homework, its relevance to the lessons, and any specific requirements or expectations. So the next one is, how will missed work or make up work be handled? So when a student misses a class or is unable to complete an assignment, it is essential for them to their parents or guardians to communicate with the teachers as soon as possible. Next is, what will happen when a rule is violated. So, when a rule is violated in a classroom or school setting, the consequences and actions taken vary depending on the severity of the violations, the school policies, and the teacher's discretion. So, in response to a minor um, rule violations such as talking out of turn and or not following a specific classroom procedure, the teacher may issue a verbal warning. And lastly, so how will classroom visitors be handled? So when the visitor arrives in the classroom, the teacher introduces them to the students. So this includes sharing their visitors' names, backgrounds, and purpose of their visit of the students. May be encouraged to greet the visitors and express their interest or curiosity. Let's go now to the performance. So number one question is, you're a multi-grade teacher teaching grade 3 and grade 4 composed of 15 pupils each grade. Make a list of jobs the students could take responsibility for you in your classroom. Here is the list of students' jobs. So for grade 3, chair monitor, line leader, bag monitor, and calendar helper. And for grade 4, librarian, messenger, equipment helper, and teacher's assistant. Number 2 is, through research or interview, give the following subjects from grade 1 to 6 and their corresponding time of teaching according to the DepEd standards. As what you can see in the picture, so this is the suggested teaching time, minutes per week of the DepEd standards. For number 3, plan and make your own weekly routine plan by providing details. So see pages 7 and 8. So choose your own graders for multi-grade teaching, compute for analysis of time. These are my weekly routine plan for the grade level 1. So I choose the grade level 1. So first thing first is grade the students. Next is go to seats. Next is class welcome. Next is the salute flag pledge. Next is take attendance. Next is sing a song. Next is collect homework. Next is discuss daily schedule. And lastly, other activities will follow. Explain or show through concrete example how managing planning your daily routine saves your time. So I must organize my everyday routine because it is important and I should know how to manage my time, and of course I need to consider many circumstances in order to adjust in every situations that unexpected to happen. So being a teacher is not just a teacher. It takes effort and commitment. So by having a daily routine, it saves time to think on the things or work that you will do.